grace and truth. In the 6th month of Elizabeth's pregnancy, God sent the angel Gabriel to Nazareth, a town in Galilee, to a virgin pledged to be married to a man named Joseph, a descendant of David. The virgin's name was Mary. The angel went to her and said, "Greetings, you who are highly favored. The Lord is with you." Mary was greatly troubled at his words and wondered what kind of greeting this might be. But the angel said to her, "Do not be afraid, Mary. You have found favor with God.
You know that your baby boy can give sight to a blind man. Mary, did you know that your baby boy will come? Baby boy has walked where angels trod. And when you kiss your lips, baby, you kiss the face of God. Baby boy would one day rule the nations. Did you know that your baby boy? Did you know?
Nazareth in Galilee, to Judea, to Bethlehem, the town of David, because he belonged to the house and line of David. He went there to register with Mary, who was pledged to be married to him and was expecting a child.
Good Christian, feel for sin.